the resources to manually configure all the devices in use. The automated features of a NAC solution are sizable benefit, reducing the time associated cost with the authenticating and authorizing user and determining that their device are compliant. Further, cyber criminals are well aware of this increase in endpoint uses and continue to design and launch sophisticated campaigns to exploit common network vulnerabilities in corporate network. With the more endpoints, the attack surface increase, which means more opportunity for fraud to gain access. Network access control solution can be configured to detect any unusual or suspicious network activity and respond with immediate action, such as isolation the device from the network to prevent the potential spread of the attack. In this video, we'll teach about the what is a NAC, why it is critical cybersecurity, how NAC work. So the first is the what is network access control. The network access control or NAC is a security framework that control which user and device can access a network and what they are allowed to do once connected. In a simple terms, NAC acts like a security guard for the network. For the network. Before allowing any device connect, NAC checks several things. Who is the user? What device is connecting? Is the device secure? What level of access should be given? If the device does not meet the security policies, NAC can block the device, put the quarantine villain, or apply the limited access. This ensures that only the trusted user and secure device can gain access. Why is the importance of NAC? Today, enterprise network common thousands of devices, employee laptop, mobile phones, printers, IoT devices, CCTVs, guest devices. Without NAC, any device that connect to the network could be potentially gain access to the internal resources. This creates major cybersecurity risks. For example, hacker could connect a malicious device inside the network and bypass the firewall completely. This is why NAC is extremely important. It ensures that every device must be authenticated before getting access to the network. Now is the built of fundamental security principle called as triple L: authentication, authorization, and accountability. Let's talk about the authentication. Authentication means who are you? Authentication means who are you? NAC is based on triple A concept. Authentication means who are you? Authenticate, verify the identity of the user or device. For example, username or password, digital certificate, one-time password, biometric authentication. For example, when unblock your phone using fingerprint, that is authentication. In enterprise network, authentication is usually handled by Radius, Aruba ClearPass, are different architecture as ICE. Now talk about the authorizations. Authorization means what can you access. Authorization means what can you access. After authentication, the system decide what resources the user can access. For example, an employee may get access to internal servers, corporate applications, internet, but a guest user only access the internet and limited bandwidth. Authorization ensure that only access resources they are permitted to use. The last and main important topic about the accounting, that is part of AAA. Accounting means what did the user do? Accounting records